You can now create insane anime fight scenes with AI, and it's completely free. Yes, with dialogue included. Just like your anime characters arguing and shouting at each other in the middle of a battle. Today, I'm going to show you the exact method and free tools you can use to create as many anime videos as you want. The best part is, you don't have to spend a single dollar. AI is changing the game of content creation. People are already making studio-quality AI cartoons and anime using only AI. If you fall behind now, you'll miss out because you don't even need money to get started. There are plenty of free tools that can help you become a skilled creator. There are many tutorials out there, but almost nobody shows the proper step-by-step process to actually start creating. If you watch this video until the end, I guarantee you'll be able to start creating your own anime videos today. So, don't skip. If you really want to make high-quality anime videos with AI, this is the video you need. Step 1. Generating the perfect script. As you know, I always prepare ready-made prompts for you. You don't need to type anything. Just copy the master prompt from the pinned comment, paste it into the ChatGPT prompt box, and hit enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate the entire script for you, including 2 character descriptions, text-to-image prompts for every scene, image-to-video prompts with the dialogue included. This is the complete package we need to create a high-quality anime video. Step 2. Generating the characters and scene images. For generating the characters and scene images, we're going to use Google Whisk. Whisk is a powerful image generation tool that's perfect for creating consistent character images. And it's free. Whisk now runs Nano Banana Pro inside, which makes the results even better. Open Whisk, and on the left side you'll see 3 sections. These are the building blocks for consistent images. First, click on Subject. Now, go back to ChatGPT. Copy the first character prompt, paste it into the subject box, and hit Generate. Within a moment, Whisk will generate and lock in your first character with great detail. Next, click on the plus icon to add another subject. Go back to ChatGPT again. Copy the second character prompt. Paste it into Whisk and hit Generate. Just like that, Whisk will generate and lock in your second character. Now it's time to set the style. Type something like anime style or 2D anime style. Once the subjects and style are locked in, we're ready to generate all the scene images one by one. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first text-to-image prompt. Paste it into the Whisk prompt box. Set the correct aspect ratio. I'll choose 16:9 and hit Generate. Within a few seconds, Whisk will generate the first scene image with great detail and perfect character consistency. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, paste it into Whisk, and lock the seed for even more consistency. Hit Generate and boom, Whisk creates the second scene image with the same characters in the same style. It's insane. Now generate the third scene image the same way. Paste the third image prompt, hit Generate, and you'll get another detailed scene with the characters looking exactly the same. Repeat this process for all your scenes. After generating all the images, download them one by one. Step 3. Turning our images into an animate bite video using Grok. Now that we've generated all our scene images, it's time to animate them one by one. Open Grok and click on Imagine. Here you'll see lots of videos other people have created. You can read the prompts they used and get ideas from them. But since ChatGPT has already written our video prompts for us, we can start creating right now. Upload the first scene image. Then go to ChatGPT, copy the first scene video prompt, including the dialogue, paste it into Grok, and hit Generate. Within a moment, Grok animates the first scene with great detail. This clip is a perfect fit for our anime fight video. Now upload the second scene image, go back to ChatGPT again, copy the second image to video prompt, including the dialogue, paste it into Grok and hit Generate. In a few seconds, Grok animates the scene with the dialogue and sound effects perfectly synced. Burn and bow. Predictable. The detail is insane. Next, upload the third scene image. Paste the third video prompt. Hit Generate. And once again, Grok animates the clip with synced dialogue, dynamic camera angles, and super impressive visuals. This is a complete game changer for free users. Animate all the remaining scenes the same way. After generating all the scene videos, download them one by one. Every clip is watermark free. Look at that. Every single clip is perfectly animated. These look like studio quality anime scenes, and they were all created with Grok. The motion, the camera angles, the detail. It's honestly crazy that we can get this level of quality from a free AI tool. Now, you can put all your clips together in any free video editing tool. I've already shown in other videos how you can easily edit these clips in CapCut, so you can quickly watch my previous tutorial if you need help with the editing part. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.